Hi, welcome to an introductionary guide to HexaBlock module, which is one of the underlying modules found inside Salon Platform 8.3. This video is a step-by-step walkthrough meant to give you an idea how you might be able to use this module through the Salon graphical user interface and generate a hexahedral mesh on a sample. As you might have already figured out, the HexaBlock model isn't in a kind of a stable release yet, so you might experience a reasonable amount of errors. But before we get started, I highly recommend visiting the website, which is under the description below, to get yourself at least to some extent familiar with the main concept. Okay, to get started off, let's first find the necessary file. So you already have them somewhere on your PC. When you found your installation folder, go to extract it, products, go to modules, HexaBlock, CRC, test by, resets, and these two are the ones we'll be working with. I recommend you copy these two. As expected, it's failed to run, and that's because the path to the step file isn't properly set. To correct this, you'll have to open this Python file and provide the necessary path on this line. Alright, let's see what's loaded. This is the part we'll be working with. And now let's try if we can recreate this. So inside the HexaBlock model, we got an independent way of saving your progress. It's not done in the uppermost corner by saving this way, but you have to do it in this manner. It will save the document in XML files. The first part is the construction of the block model. On the website, a step-by-step guide can be found. It's in Excel file and it looks like this. This guide is written for an older version of Salon, so some steps might be slightly different than they are in the newer ones, and as it appears, some steps won't even be necessary. So how is this part is going to be represented? Let's have a look in the second tab. The block model will be made of 3 separate grids. First, second and third, and then they'll be joined together. Let's do this. First we have to create some vertices that will define the origins of these grids. We do that by clicking on create a vertex, also vectors are necessary to define the grids. very important step is to import the geometry. This is done by going to Association and adding. It now appears under the explicit geometries. And this is how you construct the block model, and in the next video we're going to start doing associations. See ya!